Hey everyone, so today we are going to be trying out some new skincare. So right now it's about that time where I'm about to start getting ready for bed, winding down, and it's time to clean this off. But I thought it'd be fun to add in a couple of the items that I had received recently of new products to try out for the first time. Well, one of them is not for the first time. So yeah, so we're going to be doing our skincare routine, but we are going to add 3 new items, and I'm going to let you know my thoughts. So the first item that we'll be trying out today that is new is the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Meltaway Cleanser. I heard a lot of really good things about this. It's kind of like a cleansing balm, but it's oil-free and all that goodness. The other product that we'll be trying out is the Dermalogica Hydro Mask Exfoliant, which I'm super excited to try out actually, except that looks really disgusting. I have a thing with dots. I really don't like them. And the last thing that I have tried out a couple of times, but we're going to try it out together, is this Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. Super pumped. And then the rest is just going to be my regular skincare routine that I'll share with you, and I'm super excited to try these new products. So the first thing that we're going to use is the Dr. Dennis Gross Meltaway Cleanser. This one, on dry skin, you massage onto your face until makeup, dirt, and oil are dissolved. Rinse or remove gently with a cloth, cotton round, or tissue. So this is supposed to emulate like a cleansing balm, but it is oil-free, soap-free, sulfate-free. So it looks kind of like this. It doesn't look kind of like this. It looks like this. A little bit more liquidy than a cleansing balm. A little bit more like a light gel lotion, it feels like. And I do have concealer on my face and eye makeup and eyebrows, so let's see how this gets rid. It feels really nice and it smells so good. It smells like creamsicles. All right, let's see if this gets rid of my eye makeup. La, la, la. So this definitely does feel like kind of like a gel moisturizer, but thick. Oh, it really got rid of my eye makeup really nicely. And it doesn't have that oily, greasy feeling that I usually get when I use my oil cleansers or my cleansing balms. But it does feel nice. It smells good. It does have a little bit of a tingling sensation on my face, but it seemed pretty gentle, and it seems like it got rid of all of my makeup. Although, I will be honest, none of my makeup is like waterproof or like so crazy, like, you know, like waterproof mascara, but it did get rid of everything on top really nice. And honestly, this is my favorite like towel rag that I use to clean my face, but it's so old and so gross. Like, it's so old and so ratchet, but I just love it so much. It's got the perfect texture to like get rid of everything. Okay. Ooh, so my skin really does feel very clean. But overall, really nice. It really did take off my makeup really nicely, and it doesn't leave any sort of a residue on my face, which I really like, because sometimes oil cleansers and stuff can leave a little bit of a residue on top of my skin, but this one feels quite nice. Like, I don't think that I need to cleanse again, but I would anyway because I'm just so used to double cleansing, but I don't feel like I would need to. So this was sent to me by Dr. Dennis Gross, so thank you so much for sending this over. Super excited about it. So the next product here is the Hydro Mask Exfoliant, and I am super excited to try this because I always need to exfoliate my skin, especially now that I go out with a mask and it's just, my face feels so clogged and gross. But my face is also super dry right now when it's like kind of in the transition phase. So this is hydrating and exfoliating. So I'm super excited. This is a 5-minute mask that smooths and renews for luminous, healthy looking skin. An exfoliating bamboo prime skin for optimal hydration. Snow mushroom holds 450 times its weight in water, infusing skin with hydration, antioxidants, and vitamin D. Okay. All right, let's see. How do we use this? Hello? I don't know. I guess we'll find out together. I've never used this product. It's kind of cool packaging. I do love Dermalogica, and I really love a lot of their products. Their microfoliant is so good. It's one of my favorite exfoliant products, so I feel like I'm gonna really love this because I love their exfoliant products. I also really love their SPF 50. It is amazing. So another thing I really like about Dermalogica products are a lot of them are pump based, so you really get every single drop of the product in their packaging, so you really waste nothing. So this is really cool, and it's got like a pump up here, and then it comes out of this bottom like that. So I really like that. Kind of looks like I'm squeezing out toothpaste. So that's what this product looks like. Pretty thick. And oops, let's see. What are the directions? Apply generously to cleansed face and neck, avoiding eye area. Massage in circular motions until the spheres disappear. Okay. Do you see the spheres? Let's see. Oh, I see them. I feel them. Oh, there's a sphere right there. Okay. Well. I actually thought there would be more spheres than this, but it's got to activate for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit on my face for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll be back. You're supposed to use this once to twice a week and rinse thoroughly. Follow with your moisturizer. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. Just kidding. Actually, I think about 10 minutes passed, but whatever. I will say when I originally put it on, it felt super nourishing, and it still does. Like, you can feel like the nourishment kind of going through. But as the time progressed, you can kind of feel the little tingles that are going through your face, which is usually what I feel with an exfoliating mask. So it's really interesting because it really is a little balance of both worlds. I actually think I really like this. It feels super nice, and it's not over tingling where my face hurts, but you definitely feel the tingle. So let's rinse this off, and let's take a look at my skin. Okay, so I will say my face feels like it looks brighter already. It does feel super smooth. I will say it definitely feels like it exfoliated my skin. Like, I could feel like my skin was tingling and going through, but it doesn't feel like sometimes when it's too exfoliating, like it feels super tight on my face, and it doesn't. I think is a really good product, and I'm super excited. So thank you so much to Dermalogica. They did send me this product to try out, and I'm excited to use this more because I really like how that felt on my skin. Next up is a toner, and I just like to give my face a little spritz with this Trilogy energizing toner mist. I feel like it just helps to prep my skin for anything that I'm about to do, which I like. And then next up, I use my serum, and I have been using the Plum Hyaluronic Serum by Glow Recipe. So I have used this a couple of times, and I will say I actually quite like it, although I will say the formula is very strange. It's like unlike other formulas of serums I've used, and I'll show you why. So here is about 2 pumps. As you can see, it's pretty liquidy. It feels kind of like gel-ish. Feels almost like a liquid soap kind of thing. The one thing about it that I found strange was when I put it on my face, it almost foams up a little like it's a soap, which I found a little bit strange because that doesn't usually happen with serums. But there's no real smell to it. Usually their stuff smells a little more fragrant, but this one's scent is much lighter than the rest of them. Well, maybe plums don't have as strong of a scent. But I just found that after you see that like white stuff, you just like massage it in, and then it like really penetrates into your skin. So I'm not really sure why it looks white to begin with, but you just need to give a little extra love to it, but the stuff really sinks into your skin. The other annoying thing about it is that you do have to wait for a little bit. It does have a tackiness to it. that like sits on top of your skin that's like waiting to go down into your skin. So I would say that if you are in a rush, this probably, you need to be able to take your time with this. But I do really like hyaluronic acid anything, and I do feel like this penetrates really nicely into the skin, and I do feel like it does do a good plumping job. So I'm excited to use this more. I will say that it does help my skin feel more hydrated and nourished. See, so like now, like the stickiness is not there anymore. It just feels like it's nicely gone into my skin. And as for my face cream, I have been loving this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. This stuff is fantastic. I really love this stuff. This is the perfect cream for my face, especially during right now, when it's like in between seasons and my skin cannot get it together. It's like kind of oily but kind of dry, and it just doesn't know what to do. So this is a good in between because it's, number one, smells so freaking good, but it also is super hydrating, but like not so hydrating that it makes my skin feel oily, but at the same time is hydrating enough that my dry spots are like loved, you know? So I really like that. And then I like to use its counterpart, the Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream on top. Really love this stuff as well. Really good. This just helps my under eyes feel super hydrated, especially because now that I wear a mask all day, I literally only put makeup like in this region of my face. So if anything, the eye area definitely needs more loving. And then usually I give one last spritz of this because I love her. And there you have it. There is my routine. I definitely think the Dermalogica, I would for sure use that once a week because I'm super excited. It felt super nice on my skin. This did a nice job of cleaning my skin as well, so I'm excited to keep trying that. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that and liked seeing some of the new products. Thank you again so much to Dermalogica and Dr. Dennis Gross for sending me those products and Glow Recipe. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.